Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I'm gonna unbox this. Yeah. But from this angle, so that my address isn't showing anywhere. Take a look. So this is the Earthquake W500, the little baby log splitter. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh wow, this, I can see why and the people said what they said in the reviews. Check the stuff in the we got two wheels, some screws, nice, too shabby. Let's throw it together real fast. And we got some logs to split because somehow it's 72 degrees in the middle of February. And you can bet I am not going to be wasting today. Sure I'm not leaving anything. Interesting. No instructions. Not that I need them, but. Let's go ahead. I mean, this seems. Yeah, the wheels go on the outside, so it should be pretty self-explanatory. Run it through. Just two little pins hold it in place. Works for me. Alright, do the other side. Should also probably say this was the cheapest log splitter I could find. A little dumpy, not too little dumpy. I'm sure this thing will see some abuse. Pending it works okay. What I read online, they say not to plug these into an extension cord, but I don't know where. It's gonna be bad and not follow instructions. I don't think this is supposed to stay on here. Alright, bear with me, YouTube. There we go. Yeah, it's a It's a cute little log splitter compared to what I'm used to. Okay, switch the camera around. Okay, I'm sure you guys can see my dogs. Oh, that's something you're not supposed to be able to see yet. Alright. So, let's just go ahead. We're going to plug her in. Make sure this thing actually works. Got some instructions here. She came a little pre-beaten. A little rusty already, but away she goes. Don't adjust. There's a don't adjust button. What does that make all of you want to do? Interesting. She's got some force. Alright, well, I guess the only thing left to do is give it a shot. YouTube, let me know. I'm gonna straighten that out. I mean, obviously this thing's been tortured a little bit already, but like I said, this thing is gonna be made to be used. So I'm gonna grab a little wrench and do that right now on camera, actually. It's a little bit straighter, I think. Yeah, that's the way it should be. Should be a little bit of Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, let's give it a shot. See how this thing does. Stay tuned, YouTube.